Alright, so now we got the last topic to talk about, Theorem 618. And it basically says if we have a tangent rather than two secants, which we just had, there is no outside and inside and total and everything else. It's just the tangent. So what do we do with that tangent? We square it. So if that's x, we're going to start off and we're going to say x squared. Okay? And then let's do 2 here and 6 here. The good news is down there, we do exactly the same thing. We do the outside times the total. The outside is 2. What is the total? 8. So x squared equals what? 16. What does x equal? Not 4. Don't be lulled into thinking that it just equals 4.
Plus or minus 4.
That's right. But what can we eliminate? We can eliminate the negative. And most of the time in geometry, you can eliminate the negative, right? Because x can't be a negative value in this problem. But I don't want you to get in the habit of just saying, well, this equals x equals 4, because that's not true. It really equals plus or minus 4. You're just eliminating the negative answer because it's a distance. Okay? So recap this last one. If it's just a tangent instead of outside times the total, what do you do with it? You just square it. Whatever that value is, you square it. The part down here is exactly the same. You do outside times the total. 2 times 8. Okay? All right, let's look at an example of that. See if we can do an example of that. All right, there's a good one. C16. You try 16 at your desk. Sorry. You try 16 now at your desk. You might. I'm not sure. What'd you do? 24? Outside times the total. Outside times the total. Okay, questions? Any questions? How would you set up 17, Tanner? Set up 17 for me.
X times 16 equals 12 squared.
Perfect. Work that out for me. What's this going to give you?
16x.
What does x equal? 9. I'm guessing. Is it 9? You did it on your calculator? Good job. Questions? What was different about 17? They gave you the tangent, right? The tangent wasn't x. Here I had to square x. Here I had to square the 12. The rule still stays the same. I'm going to square the tangent, equal it to the outside times the total. Okay? Outside times the total. What's up with 18?
Yeah, can you do that one too?
8 squared.
8 squared equals what?
Will it be x times 2?
X times
Oh, that's what that means.
2x. That slash right there and there tells you that that's x. So outside times the total would be 2x. So I get 64 equals 2x squared. You with me? Now what?
Divide by 2.
Divide both sides by 2. Get rid of the 2. 32 equals x squared. Then what would you do? Square root both sides and round like money. Okay? I mean, we could simplify, but most of the time in here we just round like money. So x would equal whatever the square root of 32 equals rounded like money. What is this? How much? 5.66. 5.66? Okay. 5.66. Questions? That was good. I'm glad we did 18. All right, you can cut it off.